Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together. A,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C,
B,
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
C,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
D,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
E,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
F,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
G,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
H.
my ABCs.
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran
A is for antlers, on top of a deer.
hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
B is for ball.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock
B is for bat.
struck away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear.
Hickory dickory dock,
C is for carrot.
bark at the clock.
C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Please like and subscribe to my channel.